Very good morning, children. In this video I am going to explain the lesson 1 spreadsheet with MS Excel 2010. In my previous two classes video we have discussed about the lesson objectives and important concepts, and I have explained the screenshots of Microsoft Excel 2010 version. What are the menus, what are the screen interfaces we discussed so far. In this video I am going to explain the textbook concepts, and I will explain line by line in your textbook. So listen and watch the video carefully, concentrate it, watch the video from beginning to end. You can understand the lesson concepts very well, and you will learn the words meaning of this lesson. Let me start the explanation of this lesson. The lesson title is Spreadsheets with MS Excel 2010. So here you can see what is spreadsheet and what is MS Excel. Spreadsheets is the same application of like MS Excel, and Microsoft Excel is the application from Microsoft Office package. Both are same applications. We are going to enter data and going to do some data manipulation work, and using formulas we can create our own formulas in this application. So here the first we are going to see what is spreadsheet. Let me read this paragraph. A spreadsheet is a table that stores data which are arranged in rows and columns. It is the table. It has the format of rows and columns. A spreadsheet application is a computer program. It is the computer program. It is the one application. There are various spreadsheet applications. So here they have explained the various spreadsheet programs. They are: first one Excel, next one Lotus 1.2.3, OpenOffice Calc, or Google Spreadsheets. So we have a different spreadsheet applications: MS Excel, Lotus 1.2.3 version, OpenOffice Calc, another spreadsheet program, Google Spreadsheets. So now understand what is spreadsheet. It is the computer program. It is used to store data and other data manipulation work. Using spreadsheet program we can store data, you can enter data, you can create a table. It has a format of rows and columns. You can create your table, you can arrange your data, something. Okay, so we have various spreadsheet applications in available in IT industry, and some companies developed. MS Excel is the product from Microsoft company. Lotus and OpenOffice, Google Spreadsheets from other companies. So for your class, the lesson 1 we are going to study about Microsoft Excel 2010 version. Clear? So now you understood what is spreadsheet. So let me explain the next paragraph. The most commonly used spreadsheet application is Microsoft Excel. Let me explain the next paragraph. The most commonly used spreadsheet application is Microsoft Excel. Yes, wherever you see industries and organizations and all the people we are in home, we are using Microsoft Office package applications. The most commonly used spreadsheet application is Microsoft Excel. We are going to learn the basics of Microsoft Excel 2010. In this lesson, we are going to learn The basics of Microsoft Excel 2010. The Microsoft Excel 2010 is a member of the Microsoft Office 2000 suite of programs. It is the product from Microsoft company. It is the one of the application from Microsoft Office suite programs. The other programs of Microsoft Office package are MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS OneNote and other applications. In this lesson, you are going to learn about Microsoft Excel 2010. It is a powerful tool for organizing data in a way that is easy to read and do calculations. It is the application, it is used to arrange your data in some other way and easy to read and do your calculations. MS Excel spreadsheet has many built-in features and tools, like it has more features and other tools also available, more tools also available, functions, formulas, charts and etc. So in MS Excel software application, we can create functions, inbuilt functions also available, user defined functions also available. So as per your requirement, we can use functions feature. Formulas, you can create your own formula. Inbuilt formulas also available. As per your need, you can create your own formulas. And we have a great feature in MS Excel, charts. So using charts, you can present your data with graphical representation formats. We have pie chart, bar chart and more chart options available. Using these chart options, you can represent your data with graphical representation of your data. All these make it easier to work with large amounts of data. To understand more, let us open Microsoft Excel and start exploring. So here they are going to tell how to open Microsoft Excel application. The steps are giving, they are giving how to open Microsoft application in your system. The next paragraph title is page number 7. The next paragraph title is opening Microsoft Excel application. To start Excel 2010 from the start menu, so once you got your desktop menu in your computer, go to start menu and click that icon. You can see the list of programs installed in your system. So here click on the start button, go to all programs, move your mouse cursor to all programs and click Microsoft Office title. You can see under Microsoft Office, you will find Microsoft Office Excel 2010 application. So here you can see Microsoft Excel 2010 and other Microsoft suite programs available here. So here you have to click Microsoft Excel 2010. Clear? So these are the steps you have to follow opening MS Excel 2010 in your system. Go to desktop menu and click the start icon and click all programs. You can see Microsoft Office package. Under Microsoft Office package, you can click the Word applications or MS Excel applications or PowerPoint applications. So which one you want to use it, you can click that application name. Let me read the next paragraph. This is the first screen that you will see when you open a new worksheet. In this worksheet, you can enter data, do calculations, write formulas and review results. So this is the primary work area screen. You are going to enter your data and arrange your data. You are going to do calculations. Okay. So this is the primary work area. It has a format of columns and rows. We can say the column heading is A, starts with A and B, C, D and it goes on and again it is goes on till Z, and it again starts with AA and AB. So these are the column headings. The row heading starts with the sequence of numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have a rows on the formats here. So here this is the cell unit. You're going to enter your data. This is the formula bar. You can create your own formula. What are the text numbers you're typing here? You can see here, and it shows the current cell address. And these are the main group icon menus and group icons. I will explain it later one by one. So understand now, this is the primary work area. You are going to arrange your data. Let me read the next lines. MS Excel spreadsheets have the capacity to organize information into approximately 1 million rows and 16,000 columns. So here we can approximately create data up to 1 million rows and 16,000 columns. A spreadsheet is a collection of rows and columns known as worksheet. So default, when you open Microsoft Excel, defaultly it has 3 worksheets: sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. You want to add more worksheet, just click this icon and right click it. You can add worksheets, or you don't want to some worksheets, you want to delete it, you can just right click it and delete the worksheet. It is the workbook. The workbook is a collection of worksheets. So this is the meaning for this line. A spreadsheet is a collection of rows and columns known as worksheet. You can enter data in a worksheet. So here you can enter your data. The data can be any format, numbers or special characters or alphabetical letters. You can enter your data in the format of rows and columns. A collection of worksheets is known as a workbook. So the collection of worksheets, this is the workbook. Okay. A new MS Excel workbook contains 3 worksheets. Default, it has the 3 worksheets. Sheet in the name of sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. You want to change this name, just move the mouse cursor and right click your mouse, and you can see you can have more options. You can rename its name. Okay. You can create as many as worksheets you want in your workbook. In this workbook, you want to insert more worksheets, you can add it. The options available up to 10 worksheets we can add it. Suppose you don't want to keep some worksheets, you want to delete it, you can just right click it and delete the worksheets. So understand. So we have completed the page 6 and page 7 concepts here. We discussed about, so for spreadsheet, what is spreadsheet and the spreadsheet versions, and Microsoft Excel 2010 basic informations, and how to open MS Excel application from your system, and primary work area screen, the main screen of MS Excel. We discussed about the workbook and the worksheets, and default we have 3 worksheets. You can change its name also. These features we have. So let me explain the next page number. Take page number 8. Yes. So next we are seeing here exploring the worksheet. Let me read this paragraph. As we know that a worksheet is made up of rows and columns, now let us look into them in detail. So we discussed about the primary screen of Microsoft Excel. It has the combination of rows and columns. Now we are going to see exploring the worksheet. What are the common features and concepts are there? The first we are going to see about rows. The rows in a worksheet are identified by numbers. On the left side of the worksheet, the maximum number of rows in a worksheet is 10,48,576. The rows are numbered from 1 to 10,48,576. Okay. The default we have more rows in MS Excel. So up to the maximum value of rows you can create for your table up to 10,48,576. Okay. Next we are going to see about columns in a spreadsheet MS Excel. The columns in a worksheet are identified by letters across the top of the worksheet. The maximum number of columns in a worksheet is 16,384. The columns are labeled by letters ranging from A to XFD. The letters alphabetic column heading starts with A and end with XFD. Okay. Next we are going to see cell. Let me explain the cell paragraph. Here we are going to read the cell paragraph. The intersection of a row and a column forms a cell. It is the smallest unit of a worksheet. This is the part or the intersection of rows and columns is called a cell. It is the smallest unit. We have a modes cell in a workbook. So we have this much value of cells we have in a worksheet. An active cell is identified by a thick bordered rounded rectangle around it. In the picture, A1 is the active cell. Each and every cell is uniquely identified by its cell address. This is the cell address portion. You can see the focused cell here. A cell address is formed by the combination of its column letter and a row number. So example, the column letter of a cell is, this is the column A, column headed cell, and the row is the first A1, and D4 means D is the column heading and fourth row is the we must move mouse cursor here. This is the example for identifying cell address. This is the name box, active cell. This is the focused active cell. Name box contains the cell address A1 and the form. This is the formula bar. What are the text you are entering here? You can see your text is here. An active cell is identified by a thick bordered rounded rectangle around it. In the picture, A1 is the active cell. Each and every cell is uniquely identified by its cell address. A cell address is formed by the combination of its column letter and row number. Yes, clear? Next paragraph. Let me explain the next paragraph. Interface elements that make your work easy. So we have more interface elements in MS Excel 2010. It makes work easy. There are three important features that you should remember as you work with Excel 2010. The first one, the file tab. We have three important interface features in MS Excel. The first one, file tab. Second one, the quick access toolbar, and the third one, the ribbon. So we have a quick access toolbar. This is the quick access toolbar, and this is the ribbon. In ribbon we have 8 tabs here. This is the file tab. So now we are going to exploring about these tabs. Let me go next page. The file tab. The backstage view has been introduced in Excel 2010 and acts as a central page for managing your sheets. You can view it by clicking on the file tab. It allows you to create a new workbook, open an existing workbook, save and print, send or close a workbook. Under file tab we can see save, open, close or send or print. We have these features under file tab. You want to save your workbook, you can save it, or already you have created one workbook, you want to open it, you can go for open option. You want to take a hard copy print out of your workbook, you can go for print option. And don't want to work with this Excel, you want to close it, you can go for close workbook option. Next paragraph, here we are looking here, ribbon. Let me read the ribbon paragraph. Yes. The ribbon is the panel at the top portion of the documents. The ribbon has 8 tabs. This is the ribbon. It has 8 tabs: home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, and team. It has 8 tabs. It 8 tabs. It has some group of icons, features. It has more options. We can make alignments of our data. Yes, we are going to see here the each group. Each tab is divided into groups. The groups are logical collections of features designed to perform function that you will utilize in developing or editing your Excel spreadsheets. Commonly utilized features are displayed on the ribbon. To view additional features within each group, click on the arrow at the bottom right corner of each group. Okay, so it has some more options. As per requirement, you can make arrangements or alignment of your data. Next, we are seeing here quick access toolbar. This is the quick access toolbar. It is the customizable toolbar. What are the options you want to place here? You can customize from this list, and you can place here. The quick access toolbar is a customizable toolbar that contains commands which you might be using often. So what are the icons options you're using oftenly? You can place the icons here. This is the quick access toolbar. You can place the quick access toolbar above or below the ribbon. To change the location of quick access toolbar, click on the arrow at the end of the toolbar and click show below the ribbon. So here, using this quick access toolbar, you can do your work with easily. And which are the controls you are using oftenly, you can place your controls here. You can just select from this list, and it will come to here. Okay, as per requirements, you can go for this change the quick access toolbar. So let me explain the next page. So they are given on informations. Lotus developed a new spreadsheet program. The company Lotus developed a new spreadsheet program for Mac OS called Jazz. The name of the application is Jazz. It is the spreadsheet program for the Mac OS. So let me explain entering data in Excel. Now we are going to see here how to enter data in MS Excel. Okay. So as of now, we discussed about the screen interface and other ribbon, other menus we have in Excel. So here we are going to read here entering data in a cell. Let me read this paragraph. Data can be entered in a cell by just clicking on it and starting to type. As you type, the data you enter is displayed in the formula bar and the cell which is currently active. Here A2 cell is active. So here you select any one cell here and enter the data. This is the active cell. So you can see, find the which cell we are using and entering data. Using this cell address, we can find the cell address, which column and which row. Okay, this is the cancel button. This is the active cell portion, formula bar, and entering data. What are the data entering here? You can see the formula bar also. When you start typing in the cell, you can notice two small buttons that appear to the left of the formula bar. They are, so you can see the tick and the cancel buttons. You want to cancel or enter it, you can use for these two options. Cancel button, cancel the data entry without pressing the delete key in the keyboard. Without pressing delete key, you can cancel it. Completes the data entry without pressing the enter key in the keyboard. Use these two options. Tick and 2 marks are there for cancel and enter button. So here they give an example for create simple table for mock list preparation. You have to open new worksheet and create a class 7th mock list in a cell A1. Enter student's name and subjects. I hope you know this concept, how to create a student's mock list. This is the sample data format, table format, column headings and rows. We have to give column heading, student name, serial number, student name, roll number, and subject, marks, subject headings, maths, Tamil, English, so on, and entering data here. So adjusting the size of the column, you want to increase its spaces, we can use mouse cursor here. We can adjust its column space. Okay, cell pointer, using this cell pointer, we can just go this part of the worksheet and place your mouse cursor here, you will get this symbol cell pointer, and increase the space, adjust the cells as much you want it, you can adjust it. Or use Control plus to insert today's date and into active cell of your spreadsheet. This is the shortcut key to enter data in a spreadsheet. Just try it. Control plus. Let me go for next page. Yes, we have completed the lesson 1, introductions and important concepts, the screen interfaces, and all the paragraphs of lesson 1. You have any doubts, ask me. Send your doubts. As you want to get any meanings of this paragraph from this paragraph lines, you can send to my inbox. I will clear your doubts. So I will meet you all in my next video. So we will discuss in the next video the book by exercise answers and other parts of these exercises. I will explain one by one, and I will give information about to write class 1. Watch the video from beginning to end.